What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be doing an update on my Galaxy S26 Ultra repair. Things are not going well. I sent it into Samsung on Tuesday and they got it yesterday. Excuse me. They did an inspection on it and I was checking my status today. Their follow-up is really bad. I have not gotten any like emails or anything like that. I had to go on to the the request repair thing. And I see that on my phone, it says, my phone, like when I send in for repair, it says action required. So I click on it and it says that the payment or the repair is on hold pending payment. And I was like, well, this should definitely be a warranty issue. And I'll attach pictures of what happened to the phone and what's going on with it in the video here. And actually I'll have them pulled up right here. Let's see. So you can see right there, it's kind of warping in the corner. And then on like a white image, you can see it's kind of got like a black outline right there. It's something under the screen. Like the screen is like separating from the glass or something. A lot of people told me this looks like screen delamination, and they've had this issue occur on their S26 before. And so I go on there and here's my repair. It says payment required, and I go to pay now, and Samsung says to fix my device, I need to pay $279 and then $23 in tax for a total of $302.02. Now, keep in mind, again, this should be covered under the warranty. It's not like physical external damage. There's no damage to the outside of the phone. It hasn't been dropped. The screen's not cracked. There's no scratches on it. It's literally the screen separating from the glass, something underneath the screen, totally unrelated to anything I could have done. And they want $300 to fix it. And so I call and I'm like, hey, this should be warranty. And they're like, oh, well, you can file I told them, I said, either way, even if it wasn't under warranty, it shouldn't be $300 because I have Care Plus. And the lady's like, oh, well, then you need to file a Care Plus claim. And I'm like, no, it's under warranty. I'm not paying anything. I'm not filing a claim for accidental damage when this should be covered under warranty. So I call, when I was on the phone, she transferred me to somebody else. He asked me to send, he sent me a text and then I sent pictures back. And he agreed that yes, this looks like a manufacturing defect. And I sent him, both of those pictures that I just showed you guys. I sent him the invoice, the receipt from when I bought it directly from Samsung.com. I got it on March 9th. That's when it was delivered to me. So it's like 2.5 months old. And I just got a text about 10 minutes ago, right before I started making this video. And he replied, hello, I escalated your situation to upper management. They can apply a 70% discount to the repair, making your total $90.61. It's a warranty. I shouldn't have to pay anything. You're offering me a 70% discount for a warranty repair that I shouldn't be paying for at all. What is this? So I'm not paying anything. They can either send the phone back broken and we'll escalate it from there, or they can fix it. But I'm not paying a single penny for something that should be covered under the warranty. So I guess this will be part one of this, but I wasn't going to make anything on this experience until I got the phone back, and we would see what they fixed or what happened to it. But it looks like we're going to have issues even doing that. So we'll do a little part one right here with even trying to get the repair started in the first place. So I'm Colin with Techout. Let me know if you've had an issue like this before, what you did, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.